Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to insert the SIM card and the micro SD card into the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First, we will need a SIM ejector tool which you can get in the retail box. After that, hold the Galaxy A16 5G like this, and on the left side top, you will see the SIM tray outline and a hole. Take the SIM ejector tool and insert it into the hole and push a bit. SIM tray will pop up. You gently need to pull it out. This is the SIM card tray. Here you will find out two options where you can insert a SIM 1 and a SIM 2 or the micro SD card in here. So in order to insert the first SIM card, here is the process. Now take the SIM 1 and place it here like this. Make sure the contacts are facing down and the notch of the SIM is matching in the tray. Now to insert the second SIM card or the micro SD card in the second slot, take the micro SD card first. Place it here like this in such a way that the contacts are facing down and the notch are matching the tray. After that, hold the SIM tray just like this and insert it into the phone. Now in order to insert the second SIM card, remove the SD card first. Place the second SIM in here in this slot. Place the SIM tray in here in such a way that the contacts are facing down and the notch of the SIM in the tray matches. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this and insert it into the phone carefully. Gently push it and make sure it is properly inserted. It may take a while to detect the network. Once it's detected, it will be redirecting you to the SIM card manager page. Here, you can set the default SIM preferences for call, messages, and mobile data. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.